Guzago, and I am one of the graphic designer. I love working with Mag because Mag helps me a lot when it comes to, I will be honest, because of the financial matters. And then one thing is because Mag gives me a lot of time to spend with my kids because I work at night. Another one is because I love design. I love graphic design. So Mag opened up an opportunity for me to explore about the design and to express myself more. I'm a very good graphic designer because of Mag, and my Amazon guy helps me a lot about the learning process about the graphic designing, and personally I love collaborating when it comes to the designing, and mostly I love Stephen Pope, of course, my boss, because he's a genius. Thank you.